Physics chapter, Mechanical Properties of a Fluid. Definition of the fluid is substance which can begin to flow when external force applied on it. This is the definition of a fluid. Next, fluid is generally classified into two types. First is hydrostatic, second is hydrodynamics. Hydrostatics means fluid at rest. Hydrodynamics means fluid at motion. Hydrostatics, we will generally learn about buoyancy, surface tension, and in hydrodynamics means fluid at motion, we will learn about viscosity. These all the topics which is very essential from this chapter. Next, the first topic we will learn about the first part of the fluid, that is hydrostatics. Hydrostatics. The definition of the hydrostatic is the normal force or a thrust. Thrust means the perpendicular applied force exerted by a liquid at rest per unit area of a surface in contact with it. It is called the pressure of a liquid or hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is generally applied perpendicular. Okay. Next, pressure is equal to force upon area. Here, the SI unit of pressure is Pascal, Newton per meter square. We can write, and pressure is a scalar quantity. Next topic we have density and relative density. Density means mass upon volume. The mass upon volume is a density. And the second part, that is relative density. Relative density of a substance is defined as the ratio of its density to the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Here it is very important to learn about the water at 4 degrees Celsius. Relative density, the formula of the relative density is density of a substance upon density of a water. Relative density have no unit and it is a scalar quantity. If we can consider the relative density, it is generally of three types, means based on three categories. The first is less than 1. Less than 1 means density of water is greater. Density of water is greater. If we can comparison of water at 4 degrees Celsius, that's why here it is density of water is lesser. Next, middle, that one is 1% is equal to density of water. If it is a greater than 1, then density of water is greater. The three factor that is affecting from this. Next, the important thing, that is specific gravity of a liquid or a body. So the formula of the specific gravity is weight of the body at air upon loss of weight of the body in 4 degrees Celsius. And the important things, and the very important thing, that is the specific gravity and relative density, that is always equal. That's the important things we will learn in this chapter. Next topic is variation of pressure with depth. So in this is a very important topic if we can consider. So first of all, if we having one sheet of paper and we have a jar like this, okay, then jar, if we can consider one thing. So first of all, we just make this types of figure, and here force 1 upward, mg also downward, and f2 is upward. Here f2 is simple one thing, and f1 and mg two things. So we can easily write f1 plus mg is equal to f2, and here it is height. So f1 plus mg is equal to f2, and f1 minus f2 plus mg is equal to 0. And the pressure one, we can consider f1 and